Renderworks was given a number of significant upgrades this year. To start, the improvements to the most common render mode, OpenGL. Edges in OpenGL now allow user-controlled line thickness, represented in pixels. This can be changed at will and will even update live in your drawing as you modify the value in the OpenGL setting dialog. Ambient lighting in OpenGL can now be controlled live as well. Located in the View, Set Lighting Options dialog, this setting can be increased or decreased, and you'll see your changes update live in the drawing area. OpenGL is now also capable of displaying Renderworks backgrounds, aiding in aligning your background with your model or setting up the perfect camera angle without having to wait for the more time-consuming rendering modes to complete. Not only can Renderworks backgrounds now be displayed in OpenGL, but standard panoramic images like the ones taken with a smartphone in JPEG and PNG format can be used as opposed to only HDR image formats as a Renderworks background. The UI has received a number of requested features, such as the ability to change document projection directly from the view bar. Similarly, you can now alter the default 3D render mode and projection as quick prefs to quickly switch between visualization and design work. Perhaps the feature you use most often in Renderworks 2016, a full-screen preview. In both design layer renderings as well as viewports, the full-screen preview render option will cause Renderworks to more rapidly display the entire rendering and resolve it all at once. This rendering option can help decrease time to decision, giving you an opportunity to preview the results against your expectations before committing to a complete rendering process. This is especially useful when changing lighting options, as it will display changes to indirect lighting and shadows much more quickly than the default mode. Now, renderings can be cancelled at any phase during a render, whether on a design layer or within a viewport, simply by tapping Escape twice or pressing Cancel Update in a viewport's object info palette. Last but not least, the time a render has taken will be displayed in the message bar along with what phase of the rendering Renderworks is currently in, giving you a solid idea of how much time a rendering tweak you just made may have saved you.